In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the install location for your Adobe Creative Cloud applications. This can be really useful if you're managing disk space or simply want to organize your files in a different way. So, let's walk through this process together. First, you'll want to open up the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. It's your main hub for managing all your Adobe applications and resources, so make sure it's updated and ready to go. Once you have it open, take a look at the upper right corner. You'll see an account icon, which is often represented by your avatar or a generic user image. Go ahead and click on that icon and then select Preferences from the drop-down menu that appears. This step will get you into the Settings area where you can customize your Creative Cloud experience. Now that you're in the Preferences window, look over to the left side. You'll notice a side panel with a variety of settings options. What you want to do here is select Apps. This section is all about managing how your applications are installed and maintained. Once you've clicked on Apps, you'll be led to a new display, and it's here where we can make the necessary changes to the install location. Focus your attention on the Installing section. You'll find various details here, but the key aspect we're interested in is the Install Location setting. To change this, you'll see a small edit icon, typically represented by a little pencil or... Clicking this icon allows you to specify where you want your future Creative Cloud apps to be installed. This is particularly helpful if you have a new drive or a specific folder where you prefer to keep all your software organized. Once you've clicked the edit icon, a file browser window will open. Go ahead and navigate through your computer to find and select the new folder or drive where you want the apps to be installed. This part is straightforward. Just find the location that makes the most sense for your storage needs and workflow, select it, and then confirm your choice. After you've made your selection, look for a button that says Done or something similar. Clicking this will save your new settings. And there you have it. Your future Creative Cloud applications will now install in the location you've just set. Changing the install location is a smart move if you're trying to manage space more efficiently or simply organizing different types of projects in particular drives. I hope this guide helps make your Creative Cloud experience smoother and more tailored to your needs. Remember, any new applications you install from now on will automatically use this new location, keeping your system exactly how you prefer it. Thanks for following along with this walkthrough, and I'll see you next time.